Cannonball will be the new Mock Rides water roller coaster at Holiday World in 2027. The Santa Claus Indiana Park announced the new ride this morning. The $20 million attraction will be the biggest investment in Holiday World history. The coaster will reach a height of 90 feet, which makes it the tallest Mock Rides water roller coaster in the United States, and it'll reach a top speed of 45 miles an hour, making it the fastest of this model as well. The ride will run for 1,700 feet with a maximum drop of 75 feet. The height requirement will be just 42 inches. Oh, and those two big giant inflatable swans that you see over there? That's Ron the Swan and Ron Swan's son. Good job, Holiday World.